speaking very quietly because I'm at work. I just thought I'd want this video for later, but I'm about to order my very first swatches for my collection. My heart is beating so fast, and I hope you can hear me. My office mate went to the bathroom, so I have to make it quick, but I thought I'd want this, starting my atelier, making sure everything is perfect. This is also why it's really important that I have a design job right now, because I can steal Adobe and work on my own stuff. And that's what I've been doing. I've been excited to come to work because I'm like working on my own shit so I can leave. And it never looks like I'm not doing my job because fashion is my job. Hi, so update. I can be a little louder today because my office mate is not here, but the swatches that I ordered last week will be here tomorrow, and I just designed my logo labels. So I'm gonna order those. It's so wild that I'm doing this like at work, but again, like my job is fashion, so it's like I can do it kind of inconspicuously and act like I'm working on, you know, like I just hope nobody can see the internal, like my actual laptop. I think I would have got in trouble by now if they could, so I don't think they can. But yeah, it's getting like shit is getting real now. Like I'm really about to order like 100 labels. No turning back now, but like I don't really have a choice, or else I have to keep coming here, and that's not really an option either. So I guess that's a good thing. I don't have a choice. I have to make this work. My fabrics have arrived. We're gonna open them together, and then the next step is just the bulk order. Today I put logo labels and care labels in my cart, and I was about to pull the trigger on them, but then I was like, I don't know the fabric content, and I put a filler in there. Just for context, I don't plan on using any polyester, so whatever. Without further ado.
Something new about my music. It's past the millennium. It's not, everybody trying to make songs that's for the millennium. I think I've been ahead of the millennium or whatever. I done been after death before Christ, all of that, I try to
This one.
Even this one right here. And throw in a free sticker. I think all specials are the same.
Said you'll show me a vlog. Ooh, it feels thick. My labels just got here for a very special project, which is news I needed, quite frankly, because this week has been a time. This week has been trying. Hope you can see. I thought, wow. Okay. I was like, I thought they would be a bit more organized than this, like, shrink wrap, but, these are the care labels. And it's for something specific, so it has, like, the care for the specific product, but I'm gonna have to probably order more care labels because there are a couple of different products that I'm going for. Also, I reached out to the manufacturer because I was like, I know that I want this sewing space to be at least 1/8 of an inch, and they were like, yeah, don't even worry about it. But now I'm looking at this and I'm like, I don't know if this is enough sewing space. We'll see. We'll make it work. I knew that I wanted a folding label this time because I did not have a folding label with my previous brand, and I just feel like it looks more professional, more put together. I am a lot more happy with like how these came out than I thought, because when they sent me the proof, I was like, this looks dimpled, you know, like the jersey fabric. I'm like, this looks dimpled, and I thought it would be like a twill weave or a damask, but it's a damask. I'm happy with this. It feels good. So I just got home. I got my fabric honestly like many days ago now, but I've been really scared to open it because I know I have to pre-shrink it. So if you don't know, when you get clothes that you wash and then they shrink, that means that it wasn't made with pre-shrunk fabric. So I want my clothes to be really quality, and I don't want to have the issue of shrinkage. So you pre-shrink the fabric first, and not that you care about all the technical details, but it's 95% cotton, and cotton shrinks, I think it's like 2 to 5%, if not 5 to 10%. So I don't want it to shrink at all. So what we do is like force shrink it. So I'm about to go to the laundromat to do that because I need an industrial machine, or else putting it in my machine would just turn it into like this big sausage that I don't want to deal with. So I haven't wanted to do that. So I've been waiting to open the actual package, and today's the day because I need to start actually making stuff. So here we go to the laundromat. I'm waiting for my headphones to charge because that would be hell to sit there with no entertainment. Like, I'm listening to a book right now. I need something. So I'm waiting for my headphones. We're gonna go to the laundromat. It is a Wednesday afternoon, and there are things that I want to be doing other than this, but here we are. So I have 10 yards, and I didn't actually calculate what that would shake out to with the shrinkage. And maybe I don't want to know. Like, I ordered 10 yards and I want 10 yards, but I know I'm shrinking it for a reason. So I didn't calculate what it's going to shake out to after the shrinkage. I have OxyClean, and I was going to do fabric softener, but I looked it up and I don't want to change the fiber content of it. So no fabric softener. Oh my god, it's dark. That's another reason I've been like procrastinating, because I'm like, I don't want to do this in the dark, in the cold. That was the perfect case of you're making a big deal out of nothing. It took like 20 minutes, and the guy running the place was so kind. He asked to see my Instagram, like what I was making, and he was playing oldies in there. 10 out of 10. And I like thought I would be freezing. I forgot that there are dryers running in there, so it was hot, and I actually took off my jacket. So, procrastinated for no reason, but now I get to start actually sewing. death by just rolling fabric. So if you're thinking about rolling some fabric, maybe get a gym membership first. So my fabric is over there in my fabric corner, and today I think all I'm gonna do is cut out a couple of tops. Cutting usually takes longer than I anticipate, so I'm going to give myself the day to do that and not put any pressure on doing anything else. If anything else, I will turn my machines over because they are tan right now and I need them to be brown. But yeah, that's that. This video vlog was completely unplanned. I just know that I'm gonna want a couple of these clips later on. Like, I got my first swatches, I got my first logo labels, I received my first fabric, and I'm about to cut it. So I'm gonna want some of these clips later. I decided that I was gonna put this little video together. So yeah, I didn't want nothing. I was just calling, and I might talk to you later. But yeah, thanks for hanging out. Toodaloo.